This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. We've added a scoreboard to count points when Flappy passes an obstacle you have. If yours doesn't have this, if yours isn't working, you need to... Oh, I guess it's not. Okay, but it is there. You need to go back to the other sections if you don't have this code stuff. Add a block to the when pass an obstacle event that scores a point. Then press run to fly Flappy through the set of pipes. This icon means that this level is part of a larger challenge. Changes will be saved across levels. Okay, so we'll see our code as we work. Now remember, the green blocks are events, so add a block to the when pass an obstacle event. So on the event, on the occasion, if we pass an obstacle, this runs. Just like when we click, we flap a normal amount, and then when we hit the ground, we end the game, or an obstacle. So now we add a block to when pass an obstacle event that scores a point. Then press run. Okay, so do you see score a point? I see it. And our event's over here. So when we pass an obstacle, the computer will say, oh, when pass check. Okay, now what do? Score a point. So it looks to see, and once these things happen, it runs the code beneath them. Let's see if I can actually score a point, though. I was never good at this game. Oh! Oh no, do I have to score a point? This is going to be really embarrassing. Oh. Can I slow it down? Oh, at least I didn't hit it. Woohoo! Onward.